Oh Lord, I'm going to send like way. Can't have energy like way. Full of stamina, full of vibes like way. Five up from the time that we reach. Drinks up, now the madness release. Caribbean Days Parade.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Dimasha. Today, I came to the Caribbean Festival. This amazing event happens every year at the end of July to celebrate Caribbean culture. You just saw a glimpse of the parade, kicking things off with color, music, and high energy. And now, it's making its way towards the stage. Let's keep watching.
A rich tradition of Dominican Carnival. Guest dignitaries, please come to the stage. All special guest dignitaries, please come to the stage. We're up the party with the symbol of the day. We're going to come out
There's a nice relaxing area where people sit, eat, and enjoy the festival atmosphere. It's a great spot to take a break and just hang out for a bit. Right next to it is the kids zone, filled with bouncy castles and games. It's full of energy. Kids are running around, playing, and having so much fun. Here are some clothing racks with people selling beautiful jewelry, hats, and colorful outfits. Everything is bright, fun, and perfect if you're looking for something special to take home.
But you're not looking.
Now me and Aki got some ice cream to enjoy in this hot weather. Perfect way to cool down. Guys, there are so many food trucks to try. I'm having so much fun here. The event today is a Caribbean festival. Even though there are still more to see, like dancing, singing, and other fun performances, we're heading to English Bay now to beat the crowd for a Honda celebration of lights. Hey everyone! Today we came to see the Honda celebration of lights. I'm super excited, but now I'm hungry, so let's go eat. While I'm walking over to my parents because they found a good spot for us to enjoy the beach, I see the Vancouver police on horses. They're here to guard everyone and keep the celebration safe. Such a breathtaking sunset. It's so beautiful, right? Look how many people are already here at the beach for the Honda celebration of lights. I bet it's going to get even more crowded soon. I'm eating right now and waiting for the drone show, which starts at 10 p.m. And the fireworks come right after 10:15. Can't wait to see them light up in the sky. The celebration featured 3 Canadian provinces, Yukon, Quebec, and Nova Scotia, and tonight was Nova Scotia's night. I've added a few awesome clips of the drone show and fireworks. You don't want to miss this. Enjoy the amazing light show. Here we go! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!